Hey everyone, Space Cadet Crypto. My name is Dylan. For those that are new to the channel, I cover all things crypto, altcoins, bitcoins, you name it. You can find it here on this channel, and I upload daily. So today we're going to be talking about Harmony and its impressive move these last couple days, and I'm going to be talking about why that happened and where we can see the price target in the near future. So remember to hit that like button, subscribe button so you don't miss out on any updates, but let's jump right in. Okay, so here on Coin Market Cap, harmonyone is at the 82nd place for total market cap. It is currently trading at 15 cents. It is up 34% today and 22% in the total week, and it has a market cap of $1.5 billion. So here it's a small market cap because it's in the 82nd place. It has a lot of room to move up to the upside, and that's what we've been seeing. 30% moves here in just today trading alone. We also have here almost $1 billion in trading volume in the last 24 hours, $700 million here in trading volume. So we're going to jump into some news and seeing why Harmony is actually exploding. And it has a lot to do here. This is their Twitter page. It has a lot to do here with their ecosystem that's growing every single day. They posted this a couple days ago, but they posted a bunch of new partnerships here, and they updated their ecosystem graphic on showing all the complete projects that are going to be here forming on their ecosystem here. And we see so many different projects. We have a bunch of bridges between the Ethereum blockchains, Binance Smart Chain, and the Polkadot ecosystem, which we also saw that portion of DeFi exploding as well this last couple of days. And we do see here working with Chainlink, the graph here, which should also blow up because of this ecosystem growing. We have multiple exchanges, but this is one of the main reasons they're just expanding right now. They're almost done with a lot of protocols here and expanding their ecosystem. Now let's take a look at some other stuff here too. We also see here on their Twitter page that you now can get harmonyone on Transact with 40 plus currencies in 60 plus countries thanks to Transact Finance. And if you scroll over Transact Finance, it is a fiat gateway to decentralized finance, to DeFi. So it converts fiat to crypto in any DApp here. So try globaltransact.com. They have a couple thousand followers here, but you can see through these images, you can transact here Turkish currency for Harmony. So this is really big here too, showing that you can do many different currency transactions with a lot of different countries. So Harmony is just expanding in there. And we also says here, and do we mention that it's fast with minimal slippage? Try it out for yourself. And they also updated here, since that Elon Musk tweet about green mining, they also updated here saying that they are also very green and environmentally friendly, and they save energy consumption. So let's jump into the charts and see what exactly is happening. It has grown 35% today, and let's see where we can see our price targets here coming up as well. All right, so we've been checking on Harmony here ever since it got into that exponential move right here back in the 22nd of February. We've gone this nice run up here from around the low at 1 penny all the way up here to 22 cents. So a 22x from here. That was insane. And they peaked out around March 28th, and then we've had that huge correction down here. Once we passed that 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level here where we bounced to, and we could not make it back up here to keep trading up, that's how we knew that it was going to have more continual downside at around a high of 17 cents all the way down to this low at 6 cents here, which was at the 22nd of April, where we had that Bitcoin correction down from its all-time highs down to around 47K. So we saw this dump right here with just a huge wick to the downside, and we found support on this Fibonacci golden ratio pocket between 8 and 9 cents, and we've been trading within these range right here between these two golden pocket ratios, from the bottom to the top here, from our swing high all the way back to our swing low. And right now, we actually, since the 13th of May and the 12th of May, since they started releasing more information about their completion of their ecosystem, we saw this huge move here the last 2 days. Let's measure that move from the bottom at around 9 cents all the way up here to 17 cents at one point today. We had a 78% move to the upside, and we do see that we are finding some resistance here at our golden pocket ratio between 16 and 17 cents. Let's zoom in a little bit more, and we can see that we are getting wicks to the upside here, getting a lot of resistance at this point between 16 and 17 cents. So that's what we have to look out here in the next coming hours for harmonyone. If we do start seeing green candles, this is the 4-hourly chart. If we start seeing 4-hourly closes above this, and then we start seeing a 4-hourly close with a wick just touching this golden pocket area, then we can confirm that retest. And we are seeing a lot of volume come in, a lot of buying volume here compared to all these other spikes in the price for buying. We saw this confirmation of this breakout pattern here of this huge symmetrical triangle, and usually symmetrical triangles break out from the place that they're coming from. So here it's coming from a downtrend and we formed a symmetrical triangle, so it's more likely to break to the downside. So we have to keep monitoring that. But as of right now, it looks like we are confirming this breakout because of this huge green volume candle for the price here of harmonyone. Let's also take a look at some moving averages as well. All right, so we are here on the daily. This is our moving averages, our 21, our 50, and our 200 EMA. We are starting to see that the 21 is starting to be used as support, like we saw here in the beginning of this bull run right here. We used it as support, bounced off of it, and just started this meteoric rise to the upside, 22x from there. And we're seeing the same thing start to happen just yet again. If we do come back down and retest this area, this 21 moving average here, that can be our confirmation to make our next leg up to these price targets that I have in green right above here at 26 cents, 28 cents, and 32 cents here. Almost a double, a 2x from there. But let's also look at our EMA ribbon. And we are seeing that we did break down from this support of the EMA ribbon, bounce back up, and now we're starting to trade above it as well. So this is looking very good for harmonyone. We also see that we were forming a double bottom pattern right here. We have our W pattern, our low, and our higher low. Our first low started at 7 cents, and then our second low started here once we bounced off our Fibonacci retracement at around 10 cents or 9 cents. And if we measure that move from the top here, the neckline, which we are getting some resistance on the daily right here, but our neckline would be at the 15-cent mark right there. And we do see if we break from that, we create this double bottom pattern, breakout. We can see our price target of 24 cents from this breakout alone. And also if we measure our move from the top of the symmetrical down here to the bottom, we also see the breakout target at the top of our all-time high at 22 cents. So that is also great to see here for harmonyone. Let's measure that move, and we would have a 51% move to the upside here. But we also have these green price targets of 26 cents, 28 cents, and 32 cents. We are going up on the RSI. We're starting to get a lot of volume, buying volume, and we are making our way up here to this overbought region where we can stay up a little longer and eventually make our way up to these price targets. But so far, from our daily candle right here at around 17 cents or 15 cents, 16 cents, let's measure our move to our third price target at 32 cents. And that is a 96% move. So you can almost double your money here. Not financial advice, but harmonyone, after releasing all their information and updates on their ecosystem, you can see that they are making huge moves and the people are responding to it. We are starting to see a new buying volume momentum wave coming up here. We did see a lot of buying volume here, and we're starting to see that move just happen again. So we could see the price hitting 26, 28, and 32 cents in the near future for harmonyone. And let's also look at the harmonyone compared to Bitcoin pairing to see how it can outperform Bitcoin. So this is the harmonyone to Bitcoin pairing. We do see that it did break out of this descending resistance, and now it's making its way up here to retest the all-time high at around 4 Satoshi. So we are seeing this nice move from this descending channel right here. We are making our break up to the upside. So if we do make it through, let's see where our price targets would be here as well. I'm going to take our Fibonacci retracement tool from the top to the swing low, and we do see that we did break out of this Fibonacci retracement golden pocket, and we do have our price targets here up above. We're also making, we could see potential gains of a 61% increase compared to Bitcoin. So it would outperform Bitcoin by 61% here in the near future. So that's also great to see for harmonyone. I hope this video was informative. If you found it informative, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on bell notifications. But that is it for this video. Peace out.